If you like to build stuff like me and want to have a great setup on budget, then this video is just for you. We all know how expensive this hobby can get. So I want to show you that this is possible to make great projects without spending a lot. So today I am announcing two more major series that will help us all to grow. The first one being that I am remodeling my entire workshop from the ground up. This isn't just about painting walls, it is about making the space work for me. I am going to build some custom studio lights that will give great quality without taking up floor space. I am also making a new optimized table design for all my different interests, from 3D printing to electronics. To finish it off, I am using a full Gridfinity organization system to finally clear the mess and give every tool a proper home. I am building a professional space that actually helps me to create faster. Secondly, I am starting a dedicated series on upgrading the Ender 3, especially for the Indian creators. We all know the local struggle, parts are hard to find here, shipping takes forever, and there isn't much information made out for our market. I will personally test every upgrade on my own machine first. I want to show you what exactly works and what doesn't. This way, you can be 100% sure of the result before you spend your own money. I am owning this printer for around 5 years now, and this is the time when I should actually focus on making the printer actually reliable. We are going to make a custom chamber to keep out the heavy dust and control the temperature. This will let us print professional materials like ASA and ABS reliably every single time. No more guessing, no more failed prints, and no more expensive international shipping cost. And don't worry about the big projects, they are also coming very soon. I have already got some new raw materials for the upcoming project, and I have got many big plans to show. I have put a lot of thought into all of this, and I think that every one of you will find these upgrades on the projects very much useful for your own work. We are leveling up the studio from lights to the camera setup and how everything works. From every small to very big projects, I think my upcoming setup will be enough for any kind of project. If you also want to make a similar setup for your work, subscribe now and let's get started. Until then, stay creative and I will see you next time.